What is up, Pyros? Today we got another demo video. Today we have a 25 shot Dominator Pro Line item, Shimmering Crackling Gold Thunderking. It is a salute cake. Stumbled across these on American Hostel Fireworks one day, so I had to check it out. It's a little bit bigger than the 25 shot Thunderking I got from RKM, but this one is the slow paste. I believe it says about 25 seconds on the packaging there. These come 6-1, so I paid about 16 bucks a piece for these as well. About the same as the other 25 shot Thunderking. So let's take it out and see how she compares to the other ones.
It's legal, so they can't say, yeah. It's the popo. Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, believe me, we've had them called on this. Yeah. That's why we had to stop on the last side. Yeah. What do you close your eyes? Yeah, you can see. It does. It's like so. Saturday before, and then when you guys are okay. I like this. This looks really good. But 4th of July.